Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we're gonna be working on issue 4 of the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. First we have kit number 11, and here we have the left window, and we need to attach that to something, which is the left door from last stage. So this that goes like so, with 3 DS06 screws, like so, looking nice. Then we need to put the hinge on it. This just goes on like so, and this slots in like so, and we put a single DS02 screw. Like so. I'm gonna loosen it so it can like so, and that is kit number 11 complete. Then we have kit number 12. First we need to assemble the door handle. The handle comes in a bag, and that just slots in like so, somehow, and that is held in with a PS08 screw, like so, and that just slots in like so, with, and is held in with 2 PS04 screws. Okay, lining that up and putting the tiny PS04 screws in, that took forever, but now it's in. So that is kit number 12 complete. And here we have kit number 13. First we take the handle from its back, and that just goes on the door panel like so. It has a notch, or like the hole has a notch in it, so it's gonna stay in line, and that uses a PS04. Actually, I might just call it a PS04 screw, PSO guard. It's tiny. It's tiny on my 00 screwdriver. I had to tape the window lever in place to hold it like so, and then we take the lower click plate and that uses 2 PS05 screws like so, and then we put that to the door. Like so, and that is held in with two DSO2 screws here and here. Like so. And finally, we just need to slot this cover in. Like so. That took some effort, but now kit number 13 is complete and we have a complete door. And finally we have kit number 14. So first we take this piece and fetch the backrest from kit number 5. And that just goes on like so. And then the bottom goes over like so, and that is held in with 4 PS05 screws like so, and that is kit number 14 complete, and we have a completed